Welcome back to the SME. Today I have the new pre-production version of the Dodge Step-Side Pickup Warlock. This is a new MPC kit that's going to be coming into stores near Christmas time. Nice box art. Let's flip it over. Opening tailgate, detailed interior, four-wheel drive suspension, toolbox, big V8 engine, wood textured bed railing, decals, custom gold wheels, and giant off-road tires. Let's see what's in this box. Straight out of the box, it comes sandwiched like this. So we have the bed, the cab, the interior tub, and the chassis, all sandwiched together in a bag. It's nice clean casting. There's no low marks anywhere on the body. I don't really feel, yeah, there's a mold line that runs right here that needs to be sanded off. No big deal. Very nice. Interior tub. It's got some molded in detail in the door panels. We have a brake booster and a gas pedal. I think a pad goes right here. You know, most of these were painted in red, dark green, and black. So, but all the interiors were black. So that'd be pretty easy to just shoot some black on that. Detail paint out some stuff in there. Bed is really nice. It's got sort of wood grain texture to it. It's a step side. And I see the holes here for the lowering tailgate. Chassis is nice and simple. It's got a little bit of texture to it, which is kind of nice. There's no flash here, which is really nice. They must have cleaned up those molds quite a bit. All right, let's move on. Okay, tree number one is the engine. This is a small block with a manual transmission, intake manifold. The oil pan has the room for the steel axle to go through it. A couple of exhaust manifolds, fan belt. This is front suspension. We got some shocks. Got a differential. Not really sure. Oh, those look like leaf springs. Heads, water pump, and water hose. Next tree, we have the bed rails, and they do have the nice wood grain pattern to them, and it looks like a drive shaft. Quite a few drive shafts in this kit. Next tree, we have more drive shafts, a firewall. For exhaust here, we have the two inlet to the single exhaust, and this one looks like it sort of a copy for a dual exhaust. Maybe cut that off or something. We have the core support, spare tire. This is the toolbox that mentioned on the box. We have a steering wheel here, battery. Not really sure what this are. That looks like a transfer case and a radiator. Next up, we have the dashboard. It's got molded in detail there. Very nice. This is the tailgate, and there's the pins that go in those holes. Backside is flat. I think this is for the center console between the seats and not sure what that is for, nor what these are for. This, not sure what that is either. We got a push bar here. I recognize that. Got a CB radio and a CB antenna. Looks like a roll cage, although the box doesn't have any kind of roll cage on it. So cool, extra parts. Maybe you can make a different version with it. This tree, we have nice hood, more exhaust. So we actually have three exhaust pipes, all with cherry bomb mufflers. Cool. Wheel backs with for metal. All right, another differential. More leaf springs. We got a flat set and sort of a curved set. Two different wheel ride heights. Got another transfer case here. More shocks. More lift stuff. And look at that. It's got a jack in it. That's cool. Tires. These say Desert Dog PCV formula. Got a cool tread pattern to it. And of course there's 3 more of them and 2 metal axles. On the box it mentioned that the wheels are molded in gold, and they sure are. These are pretty cool. On the chrome tree, we of course have bumpers, and they say Dodge on them. We got these wheels, which are different than these. Just in case you want to go with these, we have nice Dodge across the top of the grill there. These look like mirrors. Chrome mirrors. These look like the maybe are they the back of like taillight bezels? Yeah, I think they might be taillight bezels. We have an automatic shifter and a manual shifter. Some chrome pieces here. More mirrors. Some fog lights, looks like. Air cleaner, valve covers. What's that? Not really sure what that is. These look like step bumpers. 1, 2, 3 carburetors. Fan. Alternator. Not sure. And lastly, we have the transparent parts. Now, as you can see, this plastic is actually tinted just a little bit, which I like, so that it's not totally clear. Just a little bit of tint. I like that. It's got some headlights, are probably for those fog lights, and some square lights. Very cool. Let's take a look at the instruction sheet. So we have engine assembly. More engine assembly. Okay, so I want you to remove this and then join it with more exhaust later on. Some transfer cases there. And the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the decals. Okay, so we've got the pinstripe gold with a clear carrier. There's clear carrier underneath there as well. Over a black body, I think this will be really nice. Just make sure to get that nice and flat. Pinstripe decals. Those may be a little challenging, but I think you guys can do it. We got Warlock by Dodge. Nice. We have separate gauges and then the gauges with the pinstripes around it as well. We have Power Wagon 150, Custom 100, and 2 license plates. Very, very nice decal sheet. So what do you guys think? I think this kit is a winner. Newest thing from MPC, and I think this kit's really going to do well. It hasn't been out for a long time, and it's nice to see it on the shelves again. Thank you so much, AMT Round 2 MPC and my friend Steve, for this opportunity to review this kit with you. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button.